My name is Broccoli. Welcome to kiddrawsfun. We are drawing a well truck. In Spanish is Caneta Roja. First, we're going to draw. First, a wheel and the back and the front. So this is going to be the front. Okay, that's okay? Okay. Next, we are drawing another wheel. So it's going to be over here. That's okay. Next, we're drawing this part. That's okay. Now we're drawing on the other side in the middle. That's the middle. The middle's over here. Right now we're doing a line. Go straight. Not touching the wheels. And then we're drawing this part over here. No, we're not. We're touching the wheels. We're not installing the wheels. We're just touching the wheels. No, we're not. Touching the wheels. This makes it different. This makes it different. So that you draw another part. That's the back. Now draw this part. That's the middle. Next is the front of the truck. That's okay. It's easier you make it. Next we're making a window. Oh, that's okay. And another window. And done! You need 2 windows. Let's make it normal. Done. And next, we are making it stew. Next, we are making it stew. Next, we are doing the corning. There you go. And that's okay. So we are making corning. That's okay. Now we are corning this wet truck with bread. Fillets. And keep running. Next, we stick this. Thank you very